Hello friends, this is Parag and I welcome you all to my channel Paratrade. Friends, I've been getting a lot of requests for making a VSA series in English. So here I am bringing you all a brand new series called Journey to the Land of VSA. VSA stands for Volume Spread Analysis. If we talk about developer of VSA, VSA was first invented by Richard Wyckoff and is further developed by Tom Williams. Now, the first question that comes to anyone's mind is that why should we use this tool? Why should we use VSA? As we all know that there are number of indicators, there are number of automated buy sell signal software, then why I am emphasizing you to use VSA? We can answer this question in three parts. The first part being VSA helps us detect the presence of smart money in the market. Now, the next question which comes to our mind is how do we benefit by doing so? As a trader, the most important thing we expect from any instrument or from any stock is a good move, either in upside or in downside direction, right? This good move is possible only after the presence of smart money. Once we detect the presence of smart money in any stock, or we can say in any instrument, we can be sure that instrument or this stock is ready for a good move. Let me introduce a few examples. This is Lupin 1 hour chart. Before going ahead, one important thing we all should know, that is the chart reading should be contextual. Contextual means we should read the chart keeping in mind the context. And the next question is, what is context? Context is the previous movement of price, right? So here we can clearly see the presence of smart money. Smart money has entered in this zone. So this is the zone where we should find a opportunity to enter in a trade. Once we detect the presence of smart money, then we can be sure that this instrument is ready for a move. Look at the nice down move. Once we are familiar with the VSA signal system, we will easily be able to foresee the possible direction in which the price can move. Let me share one more example. Just a moment. This is Godrej consumer chart. Here we can see the presence of smart money in form of ultra high volume activity. In previous example, there was 2 bars of ultra high volume activity. Here are number of bars that is showing the presence of smart money. It means this is the zone where smart money has entered. Now we can expect a good move. This is a good move. Look at the nice up move, right? So this is the benefit of detecting the presence of smart money. Let me introduce one more example. Just a moment. Yes, this is Hindustan Lever chart. This is 1 day chart, right? Here we can see the presence of smart money in this ultra high volume activity. After this activity, after the presence of smart money, price consolidated for few days and then look at the nice up move. So again, once smart money has entered in a market, we should find good opportunity. We should start finding opportunity to enter in a trade. This is Lupin 15-minute chart. Here we can see the presence of smart money in form of ultra high volume activity. I have drawn 2 lines at the top and bottom of the bar just to make a range. It has been observed that after ultra high volume activity, price starts moving in a range. In this range, smart money trying to make a cause in form of accumulation or in form of distribution. Then the next step after making cause is markup or markdown phase, or we can say after making cause, the next step is move either in up direction or in down direction. When we will start learning VSA, we will discuss these causes, what is accumulation, what is distribution, what is markup phase, markdown phase. So during the time of cause making phase, we have to read the mind of composite operator. This is the first attempt of smart money to move out of this range though this is an unsuccessful attempt, or we can say this is a trap for retail trader who have entered right when price move out of the range. After this unsuccessful attempt, when price started coming down, just go through the volume. Simultaneously, volume also came down, showing that smart money is not interested in down move. This is second unsuccessful attempt. This is third unsuccessful attempt. When price reached the bottom of the range, the buyers started raising their hand in form of high volume activity. So the price started moving in upward direction. This is fourth attempt of composite operator to move out. This is the fifth attempt of the composite operator to move out, or we can say this is the starting of markup phase. But before starting of this markup phase, there were two traps for move out weak holder. Just go through this trap number 1. Just look at the volume. Volume is very less. That is clearly showing that composite operator is not interested in down move. Same, just go through the volume in this trap number 2 again. This down move is followed by low volume activity. So this is the reason why we should use the VSA, so that we can protect ourselves from falling into traps. Now we come to the third reason, that is VSA provides us with the best entry. It gives us sell opportunities at the top and buying opportunities at the bottom. Next, let us talk about the prerequisites for using VSA. Volume, spread of the bar and closing price on the bar. Let us discuss it on chart. We will not be using candlestick while using VSA. We will use only HLC bar. HLC bar means high, low and close. How can we get this on chart? First we have to select OHLC option and then select HLC bar. HLC bar gives us only closing of the price. So criteria 1 was volume. This is our volume. What is spread? Spread is the difference between the high and low of a bar, and third one is closing price of a bar, right? So these are the prerequisites for using VSA. Thanks guys, thanks for watching the video. See you all in the next video. Thank you very much.